Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cheer mats is probably one of the most important investments for any aspiring tumbler or cheerleader. These mats provide a safe and supportive surface for practicing skills, minimizing the risk of injuries. In this video, we'll dive into the world of cheer mats, exploring the best options available, and helping you choose the perfect mat to enhance your tumbling experience. Number 5. FBSPORT Gymnastics Air Mat with Pump. This inflatable mat is designed for gymnastics and various exercises. It's made with high-quality materials for durability and better airtightness. It's perfect for both professional training and home use. The mat comes in various sizes to suit different training requirements. Whether it's group training or personal practice, there's a size for you. You can choose the right one for your needs. You can use it in many places, such as gyms, schools, or even at home. It's also suitable for use on the beach or in the water. This mat offers a wide range of applications. It comes with an electric air pump for fast inflation and deflation. It takes less than a minute to set up or pack away. It's very convenient to use. Compared to other equipment, it reduces the risk of injury. The mat provides a safer environment for your exercises. It allows you to focus on your training. We stand behind our products and are committed to customer satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help you. What we like. This mat is made with durable PVC material, ensuring longevity and safety during intense training sessions. It inflates and deflates quickly, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a versatile mat suitable for various activities like cheerleading, yoga, or even water use, you should consider this one. What people say. Great buy. This was bought for my 8-year-old after signing up for tumbling. It's made her tumbling over a safer experience. Length, width, all great. Easy to inflate. It's been blown up for at least a year, if not more, shoved against the wall, one end against a couch and the other against the corner of a table. The corner has rubbed against and has worn off the color, but it is holding strong. Kid loved it, inflated and deflated quick. Number 4. AKSPORT Air Mat Tumble Track. This air mat is an ideal gift for teenagers. It provides a safe and bouncy surface for practicing gymnastics and tumbling. Different sizes are available to meet various training needs. The mat is suitable for use in multiple locations. You can use it at home, in the gym, or even outdoors. It's perfect for gymnastics, cheerleading, yoga, and more. This mat is made of high-quality materials for durability. It's designed to be leak-free and odorless, ensuring safety during use. Reinforcements are made for all seams. When you purchase the mat, you'll receive everything you need. This includes an electric air pump, a carry bag, and a repair kit. The valve is from a famous brand. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions about the product, please feel free to contact us. We are responsible for our product. What we like. This mat is an ideal gift for teenagers, providing a safe and bouncy surface for practicing gymnastics. It's made with high-quality, non-deformable materials, ensuring it withstands rigorous use. If you're looking for a complete package with an air pump, carry bag, and repair kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The dimensions are accurate. It was easy to get it set up. Once blown up, it bouncy and holding air very well. We didn't have to refill the air since it was first used, and it's been 2 months. Our daughter uses it all the time. The quality is very good. Great product for tumbling and gymnastics. Number 3. BCP 10 Feet Folding Gym Mat. This mat is built to last. It features high tensile thread stitching and a water-resistant faux leather surface, making it easy to clean. It's designed for durability and convenience. The 4-panel design allows for easy folding and storage. Built-in handles make it simple to carry the mat from place to place. It's perfect for those with limited space. The high-density EPE foam provides excellent cushioning. It resists flattening and absorbs impacts, making it ideal for various exercises. This feature ensures safety and comfort during workouts. Convenient side handles make it easy to transport. You can effortlessly carry it to and from practice or move it around your home. This adds to the mat's portability. Hook and loop fasteners allow you to connect multiple mats. This expands your cushioned area for a larger workout space. It's a versatile solution for different exercise needs. The mat offers a generous workout area. It provides ample space for various exercises and activities. This size ensures you have enough room to move comfortably. What we like. This mat features a foldable design with built-in handles, making storage and transport incredibly easy. The 2-inch thick foam provides ample support and cushioning for various exercises. If you like a mat that's easy to carry and store, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The mat is thick and provides great cushion for tumbling. The mat is easy to fold and store. The mat is durable and can withstand regular use. Number 2. VOFiTNY Inflatable Gymnastics Mat for Home Gym. This inflatable mat is made with high-quality materials, providing the perfect balance of stiffness and give. It allows you to challenge high-performance movements and land with ease. The excellent traction reduces the chance of injury, making it ideal for safe and confident training at home. This tumble track is versatile, suitable for cheerleading, tumbling, backflips, dance, yoga, and more. Athletes can use it to work on specific skills. It comes in different sizes for various training needs, from home entertainment to professional gymnastics. The mat features a double protection valve designed to minimize air leaks. It can maintain air pressure for at least 2 months without needing to be refilled. Setting it up is easy, and the included electric pump gets the job done quickly, eliminating the need for a hand pump. Take your gymnastics training anywhere with this mat. It includes a carrying strap and handles for easy transport when inflated. A duffel-like bag is provided for storage or carrying when deflated. You can use it in various spaces, such as backyards, parks, schools, beaches, or your home. This inflatable gymnastics mat makes a fantastic gift for training. It helps refine techniques, overcome mental blocks, and improve skills. It's a key training tool for anyone serious about cheer or gymnastics. It will help you fly. What we like. This mat allows for safe practice at home with its high-quality materials and excellent grip. It can hold air for a long time, reducing the need for frequent inflation. If you're looking for a mat that's easy to carry and use anywhere, you should consider this one. What people say. Thick, firm material that's easy to blow up and just as easy to deflat and roll up. This thing is durable. Easy to pump up and stays pumped up. Number 1. We sell mats. Gymnastics Incline Mat. This incline mat provides a cushioned and supportive surface. It's perfect for young gymnasts, cheerleaders, and fitness enthusiasts to practice and perfect their skills. The angle position and cushioned padding create a safe environment. This is ideal for any beginner or young gymnast learning basic tumbling skills. The high-quality materials make it great for indoor playtime. It's ideal for home use, gymnastics studios, and even daycares. The mat features an anti-tear vinyl surface. It resists ripping from frequent use and ensures long-lasting performance. The lightweight mat comes with 2 carrying handles. The vinyl surface is easy to wipe clean with soap and water, making cleanup a breeze. What we like. This mat provides a supportive, cushioned surface, perfect for beginners learning basic tumbling skills. It's designed with high-quality materials and is easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. If you are looking for a safe and easy-to-maintain mat for young gymnasts, you should consider this one. What people say. They love the one in their gymnastics class compared to their friends. They didn't want it too hard and they wanted it to be long enough, unlike others where the end would be near their tailbone when completing an element. This is a larger cheese mat and is very comfortable. It is still firm, but not as hard and uncomfortable as other mats. They are very happy with the firmness and length. Exactly what they wanted. Nice quality. It is also very convenient to have in our home because it folds up. The mat's outer surface is very durable and easy to clean. It is sturdy but with enough cushion that she doesn't get hurt, and super easy to wipe down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.